Viewers, Andhra Pradesh authorities demolished an under construction office of the YSRCP in Tadepalli. The YSRCP alleged bulldozer action took place despite their plea challenging the same in the High Court. Opposing the action, they claimed that the High Court had issued a stay on the demolition and criticized the ruling TDP for allegedly disregarding the court's orders. The Telugu Desam party, however, justified the demolition, claiming that the YSRCP office was constructed on encroached land. Listen in to the reactions.
As per the law and the prevailing rules, any illegal construction need to be demolished. And today, the party office of the YSR Congress Party, which is being built illegally without obtaining any permissions from the concerned departments, is being demolished today as per the rules prevailing by the concerned departments. This has nothing to do with any kind of political vendetta as the YSRCP is alleging. First, they should come out and say whether the construction which they have taken up has the required permissions or not. So that is the question which they are supposed to answer, but not to do these kind of baseless allegations.
YSRCP government has looted a lot of lands which belong to the government. So our initial reports which have just come out now, they have got themselves allotted lands in about 8 different locations running into hundreds of crores. These are the lands that belong to government, which they have got themselves allotted illegally. If you see, there are a lot of cases are pending against some of these lands. So much of corruption and crime has been done by the earlier government. I am sure Jagan Mohan Reddy is going to go to the jail.
6 bulldozers came to demolish YSRCP office at Tadepalli, Mangalgiri, without any due procedure following to dismantle them. They have not given any confirmation report about violation of that building. CRDA issued proceedings to demolish it. This is pure vendetta politics of TDP.
Now, citing documents issued by the Irrigation Department, the Telugu Desam party claimed that former Chief Minister Jagan Mohan Reddy illegally allotted 2 acres of land to his party and planned to encroach on an additional 15 acres without required permissions from the Irrigation Department. According to the TDP, the YSRCP did not apply for necessary clearances before commencing construction. Somit joins us now live. Somit, this office that was under construction of the YSRCP, first of all, was it going to be the main party office in Amravati? And second of all, what is the backstory to this land allotment? What was already in the courts and in the various departments with regard to whether it was legal or not?
Well, Ankit, lots of political developments right now, I know, going on in the Amravati, in Andhra Pradesh, we can say. When it comes to the political developments, like, one side, the assembly is on and the sessions are on, and the NDA leaders have, elected Ayana Patrudu as, speaker. And the other side, we are seeing recently Rushikonda, palace has come out, that issue has come out, and that was one of the most controversial structure developed or constructed in Andhra Pradesh, you can say. And later, now, when it comes to this YSRCP under construction building was demolished today morning at 5:30 a.m. The demolition process was started because, initially the claims are made by the ruling government and also the ruling party, TDP party, stating that the land, 2 acres land belongs to the CRDA. Actually CRDA was formed by the AP government erstwhile, while TDP was in the power after 2014 bifurcation. So it belongs to the CRDA. Is what the TDP has claimed, and even Chief Engineer at that time has also issued notices to the YSRCP stating that construction shouldn't be taken place because that land belongs to the Andhra Pradesh government and CRDA department. But however, without taking prior permissions, the construction has construction has been taken up by the YSRCP leaders at that spot in Amravati in Tadepalli. So that they already have an office in Tadepalli, but they wanted to shift it to the, this other place, which is also known as Boatyard, which is 2 acres, which comes under the, which is also owned by the government, the CRDA department. So there they have taken up the construction. They thought that YSRCP will be coming back to power, so no one will be obstructing them, is what TDP is claiming. So even Chief Engineer has also served notices to them. CRDA department has served notices to them. However, in that matter, because because YSRCP was in power, no one touched that construction. Immediately after TDP formed the government, today morning, CRDA department officials and also municipal officials, they reached the spot, they demolished that structure, and the other side, YSRCP is saying that this is nothing but vendetta politics against the YSRCP party and done by the TDP leaders. And TDP is saying that political involvement is not there and that land belongs to the government, and agencies are working independently, is what TDP and also at the same time BJP is claiming. Now again, municipal officials in Visakhapatnam, they have served notices to the YSRCP party office in Anakapalli, and they wanted YSRCP leaders to immediately stop the construction there. So lots of political activities going on there, and these two, when it comes to the one party office, it has been demolished, and the other party office, the construction has been asked to stop immediately.
Most definitely. Samit, do stay with us. I also thank you for sharing all these updates with us, but do stay with us. The BJP has launched, viewers, a scathing attack on former Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Jagan Mohan Reddy amid the demolition of the under construction YSRCP office. The BJP asserted that no permission was taken from the Andhra Pradesh Capital Region Development Authority before the construction of the office. Listen in.
Properties worth several hundreds of crores will be allotted at a very nominal cost of just ₹1,000 to any political party. This happened in Andhra Pradesh in the last 5 years of YSRCP regime. Many people are speaking about the demolition of the illegal constructed places in the Tadepalli. This is the reality. The first thing is the constructions are illegal. Second thing is the land is public property. It belongs to every person of Andhra Pradesh. When a government demolishes the illegal constructions and gives back the land to the people of the public Andhra Pradesh.
That was the BJP. Meanwhile, the Telugu Desam party has posted another video on their social media handle showing the YSRCP's under construction office in Anakapalli, leveling serious allegations against Jagan Mohan Reddy. The TDP accused him of granting a 1.75 acre plot on lease to his party without proper authorization. The lease agreement allows the YSRCP to use the land located near a major highway for 33 years at an annual rent of merely 1,000 rupees per acre. Somit remains with us. Somit, what is this new building now, this new palace that we see? We saw Rushikonda, we saw what was demolished earlier today morning. What is this new office?
Well, this is located in Anakapalli, like Visakhapatnam, like earlier I've been speaking. So first office is the first office when we speak about the Tadepalli central office, which the structure which is under construction, they thought that they will make that as a central party office. So initially the officials have demolished it, and later, immediately after, couple of hours after, the municipal officials of Visakhapatnam, they reached the Anakapalli YSRCP party office, which is also under construction. They have they posted the show cause notices at that entrance wall of that party office, and they asked the YSRCP leaders to immediately stop the construction of that party office. So they have also said that prior permissions have not been taken by the municipal authorities, and the construction permission they don't have is what they have claimed. And immediately former minister Gudiwada Amarnath, he reached the spot, and he also removed those posters from the party office, and they are claiming that this is nothing but vendetta politics by the TDP party. And TDP is saying that at 8 locations acres of land have been allocated to the YSRCP party by the then erstwhile the then YSRCP party, the then Chief Minister YS Jagan Mohan Reddy, and allocation was done to the YSRCP party to construct YSRCP party offices, and crores of worth of lands were given to the party and by the YS Jagan Mohan government. So that, and also even the lease amount is just 1,000 per year, and they should be paying 1,000 rent to the government, and they will be using, or they will be having this 2 acres, like 1.75 acre in one place and 2 acres in other place. So even 2 acres in Tadepalli. So they will be using these 2 acres of land for the party purpose, and they will be only paying 1,000 rupees to the government as an lease amount. So it's a huge loss for the exchequer, is what the ruling government and also even BJP is saying.
Absolutely. Somit, they're sharing details of this fresh mansion, this palace, supposed to be a party office that is now come under the spotlight. Viewers, the YSRCP versus TDP battle is only growing after the change of guard. I thank Somit for joining us. We are moving on.